Students, this is a student doubt in which they are asking which of the following is not a redox reaction. Okay, you are having 4 reactions and out of which you have to decide which of the reaction is not following the redox reaction mechanism. That means first of all we should know that redox reaction should have reduction plus oxidation, right? In a reaction there should be one oxidizing agent and one should be reducing agent, right? So how we can find that these reactions are following the redox reaction process or not? Okay, we'll see the oxidation state of each and every atom present in the reactions. Okay, let's start with the first one. In this reaction we are having CuO plus H2. Okay, it is giving rise to Cu plus H2O, right? Now let's see, here I am having oxygen. Okay, oxygen is always following -2 oxidation state, so technically copper is having +2 oxidation state. Okay, in molecular form or in atomic form any of the element is having 0 oxidation state, right? Here again copper is in its elemental form, so it is having its 0 oxidation state. Now oxygen is again having -2 oxidation state. According to that, now hydrogen will have X. Let this oxidation state is X. Okay, I am having 2 atoms of hydrogen, so X into 2 minus 2 equal to 0. That means 2X minus 2 equal to 0. Okay, 2X equal to 2. Okay, X equal to plus 1 oxidation state. That means one hydrogen atom is having plus 1 oxidation state. So according to the reaction, copper is having reduction because copper is reducing its positive charge and going back to the 0 state, right? And hydrogen is showing oxidation, right? Because from 0 elemental state to positive state it is showing oxidation, right? Now definitely, so this reaction is following the pattern of redox reaction. That means we are having reduction as well as oxidation, right? So next one is Na plus H2O. Okay, Na, sodium plus H2O, it is forming NaOH plus half H2, right? Now let's see the oxidation states. Sodium is having 0 oxidation state, -2. Definitely we have find the oxidation state of water over here, so +1, right? I know that sodium in the presence of oxygen always follow +1 oxidation state, right? And oxygen is having -2 oxidation state, and definitely if I am having -2 oxidation state, so hydrogen we can find the oxidation state of hydrogen. So sodium is having +1 oxidation state, -2 into 1. Oxygen is having -2 oxidation state, right? Plus I have to find the oxidation state of hydrogen, so I'll write it as X, 0, right? So -2 plus 1, that means -1. So X minus 1 equal to 0. X equal to +1. That means hydrogen is also having oxidation state +1, right? Here hydrogen is having 0 oxidation state, right? So sodium is showing oxidation from 0 to +1. That means oxidation is happening over here, right? Hydrogen is in this compound, hydrogen is having +1 oxidation state, but in this compound hydrogen is having 0 oxidation state. That means from positive oxidation state to 0 oxidation state, that means it is showing reduction, right? Now let's see the third one. So obviously this is not the correct option. CaCO3, right? So CaO plus CO2, right? Now I know that if I'll dissociate this compound, it will dissociate as Ca2 positive plus CO3 to negative, right? So I know that calcium will have +2 oxidation state, okay, and I can find the oxidation state of carbon over here. So what I'll do, I'll simply take this compound. So X -2, because I know that on oxygen there is always -2 oxidation state, into 3 equal to -2, right? So X 2 into 3 will have X -6 equal to -2, X -6, and it will turn as +6 when I'll take this value over here. So -2 plus 6 equal to X equal to +4. That means carbon is having +4 oxidation state, right? And oxygen is having -2 oxidation state. Now I know that calcium in the presence of oxygen is again having +2 oxidation state, and oxygen is having -2 oxidation state. So there is no change of oxidation state of calcium as well as oxygen. Okay, let's see in this compound. I know that oxygen is having -2 oxidation state, right? Now I have to find the oxidation state of carbon. So what I'll do, I'll simply take this value as X -2 into 2, because I am having 2 atoms of oxygen, so equal to 0. X -4 equal to 0, X equal to +4. That means again I am having oxidation state of carbon as +4. There is no change of oxidation number in any case. So what I can say, this reaction is not redox reaction. Okay, so this is my correct option. In this option you can see here sodium is having 0 oxidation state, right? Fluorine is also having 0 oxidation state. Here fluorine is having -1 oxidation state, and potassium is having +1 oxidation state. So one compound is showing oxidation and other compound is showing reduction. So definitely this reaction is redox reaction. So this option is also not correct. So the correct option is the C1. Okay, so I can say this reaction is not redox reaction.